vice ruling that has been delivered today concerning Mr. Speaker, sir, Ezekiel Chama. He has been released on personal bond terms, meaning that he's free to go home without paying anything. And finally, the devil has been ashamed. And I want to warn the DCI officers that when you are not ready to present somebody to court, do not come here and express your ignorance, because all these charges that you pressed against our client, they don't make sense at all. I was in Parliament that day when the alleged offense occurred. The only challenge, the only problem that these Gen Zs committed is that they wanted the high cost of living be reduced. They wanted jobs. They didn't want the finance bill to be passed. And they had a right to do so. Parliament is a public place. One of the charges that is being leveled, pressed against our client is that he accessed the precincts of Parliament in contravention of Section 31(1) of the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act. This is nonsensical. This is gibberish. Parliament is a public place built by public resources, funds, money from the taxpayers, and any citizen, even now, if any citizen wants to go and have lunch in Parliament, you are free to go and have lunch. So do not tell us that people cannot access public places that they built using their own money. So it is completely uncalled for. The DCI usitutest tena. Sisi ni wale wabaya. Angalia hizi masura vizuri. Na tukiwapata kotini, we will deal with you, because in the court precincts, wewe ni raia kama mtu yeyote. Abdulaziz was abducted by the DCI officers close to around between 7 to 10 days ago. This gentleman was taken by DCI officers. Up to date, hajawahi tolewa. Today we filed a habeas corpus application, meaning that the DCI officers, the Inspector General of Police, we want him here in court to come and answer where this gentleman is, whether dead or alive. If he is dead, if he is dead, we want that body. That is, that body belongs to the family.